Ever feel like there are not enough hours in the day to get everything done? This sentiment is echoed by countless individuals around the globe. It's the productivity crisis, the constant battle against time, the never-ending to-do lists, and the feeling of being overwhelmed by tasks that just keep piling up. Whether it's work, school, or personal responsibilities, it seems like there's always something more demanding our attention. But imagine a world where you're not just surviving the daily grind, but truly thriving in it. A world where you're the master of your time, not the other way around. This may sound like a distant dream, but the key to turning this into reality lies in productivity hacks. Simple yet effective strategies that can drastically increase your efficiency and effectiveness. Stay tuned as we delve into some life-changing productivity hacks that can turn the tide in your favor. First up is the art of prioritizing. Now, you might think that's just listing your tasks in order of importance, but it's more nuanced than that. Imagine you're juggling balls. Some are glass and some are rubber. The glass balls are your urgent and important tasks, the ones you can't afford to drop. The rubber ones are less urgent, less important. They can bounce back later. This concept is beautifully illustrated by the Eisenhower box, a simple yet effective tool for decision-making. Named after the 34th President of the United States, Dwight D. Eisenhower, it's a 4-quadrant box that sorts tasks based on their urgency and importance. The first quadrant is for tasks that are both urgent and important. These are the tasks you do right away. The second quadrant is for important but not urgent tasks. These are the tasks you schedule for later. The third quadrant is for tasks that are urgent but not important. These are tasks you delegate. And finally, the fourth quadrant is for tasks that are neither urgent nor important. These are tasks you eliminate. The power of prioritizing lies in recognizing that not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks demand immediate attention, while others can wait. By embracing this approach, you're not just managing your tasks, you're managing your time and energy too. Remember, not every task holds the same weight. Prioritize wisely, and you'll find more time than you thought you had. Next, let's explore the magic of time blocking. This is a productivity hack that's as simple as it sounds, yet so powerful. It's about dedicating specific blocks of time to specific tasks. Imagine your day as a blank canvas, and your tasks as colorful blocks. Each block represents a task and the time you need to complete it. Your mission is to arrange these blocks on your canvas, creating a vibrant mosaic of productivity. So, how does time blocking work? You start by making a list of all the tasks you need to complete. Then you estimate how long each task will take and schedule a specific time slot for it in your day. It could be an hour in the morning to answer emails, 2 hours in the afternoon for a project, or 15 minutes in the evening to plan the next day. The beauty of time blocking lies in its ability to maintain focus. By dedicating a specific time for a task, you eliminate distractions and reduce the risk of procrastination. It also helps you visualize your workload and manage your time efficiently. Time blocking is not just about cramming as many tasks as you can into your day. It's about working with purpose and intention, focusing on quality rather than quantity. And remember, it's okay if the first few attempts at time blocking aren't perfect. This technique requires practice, but once mastered, it can greatly enhance your productivity. With time blocking, you're not just working hard, you're working smart. Our third hack involves one of the most powerful words in the English language: no. This tiny word wields an enormous amount of strength when it comes to productivity. It's a boundary setter, a time preserver, and ultimately, a tool for success. Imagine your day as a glass jar. The large rocks you place inside are your primary tasks, the ones that align with your goals and move your life forward. The pebbles are smaller yet important tasks. The sand, that's all the unnecessary requests, distractions, and time wasters. If you start with the sand, you'll never have room for the rocks and pebbles. Saying no allows you to focus on your rocks and pebbles, the tasks that truly matter. It's about understanding your capacity and choosing to invest your time wisely. It's not about being rude or dismissive. Rather, it's about acknowledging your limitations and prioritizing your energy. Now, this doesn't mean you should say no to everything. It's about discerning what's essential and what's not. Consider the impact on your time, energy, and overall goals before saying yes. Remember, every yes is a no to something else. So next time you're faced with a request or a task, pause. Ask yourself, is this a rock, a pebble, or sand? If it's sand, muster up the strength to say no. Saying no might be tough, but it's a game changer when it comes to productivity. So, what have we learned today? We've journeyed through the realm of productivity, unearthing valuable hacks that can help us make the most out of our day. The first stop was at the citadel of prioritizing, where we discovered the power of focusing on what truly matters. It's not about doing more, but doing what's essential. Next, we ventured into the mystical world of time blocking. Here we learned how this simple yet potent technique can help us get more done by setting specific times for specific tasks. It's about creating a rhythm, a flow that aligns with our energy levels and tasks to be done. Finally, we arrived at the fortress of saying no. A seemingly simple word, yet it holds immense strength. By saying no to distractions and unnecessary commitments, we clear space for what truly matters, be it tasks at work, studying for exams, or simply making time for ourselves. These hacks, when applied consistently, can truly transform our productivity levels. They are not just about getting more done, but about creating a balanced and fulfilling life. But remember, the key lies in consistent and mindful application. So here's the call to action. Try out these hacks. Prioritize your tasks, block out time for them, and don't hesitate to say no when needed. See the difference these make in your productivity, and more importantly, in your life. Try out these hacks and see the difference in your productivity. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below.